P1500, vehicle speed, sensor malfunction. This code is related to the vehicle speed sensor, VSS, which monitors how fast the wheels or transmission output shaft is spinning and sends that information to the engine control module and other systems like ABS, traction control, or the speedometer. When this code sets, it means the computer is receiving a signal that is missing, erratic, or outside the expected range. This can affect shifting, cruise control, speedometer operation, or engine performance. If you're troubleshooting this code, there are a few common things to check. First, inspect the vehicle speed sensor itself. This sensor is often located on the transmission, differential, or wheel hub depending on the vehicle. Make sure it isn't physically damaged, loose, or contaminated with dirt, metal shavings, or debris. Second, inspect the wiring and connector going to the VSS. Since the sensor is often near moving parts or exposed to heat, look for damaged wires, worn insulation, or corroded connectors. Third, check the reluctor ring or tone wheel. This is the rotating part that the sensor reads from. If it's damaged, missing teeth, or heavily rusted, the sensor may not generate a proper signal. Fourth, test the VSS signal if you have access to a scan tool or oscilloscope. Compare the readings to expected values and check for erratic or intermittent signals. Fifth, consider related modules or the computer. If the sensor and wiring check out, sometimes the issue can be in the ABS module, transmission control module, or engine computer that interprets the signal. A good general order when diagnosing P1500 would be: inspect the VSS for damage or contamination, check wiring and connectors, inspect the reluctor ring or tone wheel, test the sensor signal with a scan tool, and verify related modules if needed. Most of the time, this code ends up being caused by a faulty VSS, wiring issues, or a damaged tone wheel. That's pretty much it for this one.